Hi everyone, welcome to DIY Ideas. So today I'm showing you a wonderful scarf project, and I'm going to show you the spool that I used. It was a really big one this time, and then also this project is corner to corner, so I am going to show you something new in case you haven't done this before, and if you have, you're still going to be able to practice and get a great result. So you can of course see this little zigzag edge over here that just gives it more personality, and all the lovely colors of course. So yeah, I'm going to show you how you can do this. Even if you're a beginner, feel free to try it out. It's going to be super easy. Yeah, so let's get started. So here is our spool, you guys. You see how big this is and the colors. So we have here Wonderball Creative Melange from Rico Design, and yeah, 200 grams, 640 meters. And yeah, you can see here the lovely colors inside. It's mostly pink and purple with all kinds of different shades of different colors. So when you look at it on the inside, you also see tons of more colors. So yeah, here we have 51% virgin wool, and then we have 49% acrylic. It's for a 5mm hook or needle, and yeah, that's pretty much all we're gonna need. If you want this exact color, it's the number 4 so that you can find it if you wish. So let's take this label out and we can get started right away from the middle as always. Okay, this was pretty quick. Great, we didn't have to search for long. So yeah, we have kind of these two pieces, but I'm gonna try and find the beginning out of the one. Then we're gonna get our hook ready and we're gonna get started. So I'm gonna do 6 chains to start with. This is very easy to work with, really good. So now we're going to take a yarn over, and then into the 4th one we're going to go in and we're going to do a treble there. And then again right next to it, and a 3rd time as well. That's going to be our little box, so to speak. Okay, this is our first pack or box. Oh, we have a knot here. Okay, now it's gone, no knots left. So let's get started again. 6 chains. Turn, and again a yarn over into the 4th one, do a treble, and then 2 more right next to it. Okay, 1 more. And now I'm gonna go around these chains that we actually started with. So just go through there, do a slip stitch, and that way we're gonna keep the 2 boxes together. And what we wanna do then is do just 3 chains, and then the 3 trebles around these exact chains where we just went through with our slip stitch. And then you can see here the first row is here on the bottom, and then the second one has 2 boxes. So we're always going to know in which row you are because it's always the same as the number of boxes in it. Okay, so I did the 6 chains, and now we're again starting the same way into the 4th from the hook, and then we do a treble and then 2 more after it. Then we connect, and this is actually the only one we start with 6 chains. From there on we always start a new box with just 3. So 3 chains and then 3 trebles around the chains on the bottom here. There we go, then 3 for the height, and then we can again do 3 trebles here around the chains on the bottom. Okay, and now 3 packs are done, so I'm gonna unwind a little bit of the spool. And yeah, you can already see the lovely colors. I think they're matching perfectly, but we're gonna keep going to see what else we have. 6 chains. And I'm gonna show you one more time with the 4 packs, although you already know what to do. So 3 trebles in here to start with. There we go. Slip stitch and 3 trebles then, or slip stitch 3 chains, 3 trebles. And then again. And one last time. Okay, so you can see now we're done with the row 4, and we're going to keep going this way until we get a certain width that we want. In my case, I'm going to show you what I have for now. So if I take my measuring tape, you can see for now I have 11 centimeters. So you guys, here I am, and I'm almost done with the wool. I don't have a whole lot left. And yeah, this was over 2 meters long, so it was really a great size, a really big scarf, perfect for the colder weather that's coming. And yeah, you can see here the lovely colors, how they look, all the different ones, of course, with the orange, the purple, a little bit of green and blue. Yeah, you can see all kinds of colors here. It's also really soft, the wool, so you can definitely see myself wearing this and it being really comfy when I wear it. So yeah, I think this was a perfect choice of wool for such a project. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Feel free to let me know in the comment section what you think. You can also shoot us a thumbs up to let us know you enjoyed and would like to see more. And yeah, feel free to subscribe. So I'll see you in one of our next videos. Thanks for watching this one. I hope you had fun, and see you in the next project. Until then, have a great day. Bye!